Okay, so right now, if you look at the euro US dollar chart, the first thing I look at is this, the RSI, the relative strength index. So we can see it's below 30, the below 30 threshold. So we should expect it to go up, you know. But the next thing I look at is the MACD. What I see is that the waves is still going down. So I won't be trading upwards. I won't be trading high at this moment because I still think it's going down for a bit. Also, we see that the candlesticks are crossing this Bollinger Band. They're going down. So as I said, it was still going down, and we see this. And when we look at this candlestick, we see it's red. It's going down, and we see this in volumes. It is green, so it's totally out of balance. Now it looks like more like it should be. So a lot of red in the volumes and red in the candlestick. So it's still going down. It might be wise to trade in a low direction at this point. And also we see this indicator here, the arrow, it's pointing down. That was a signal from several minutes ago. So we can't rely on only that. So what we see now in our MACD, that the movement is slowing down. You see here it was going hard, and here it's like almost breaking. It's like it's stopping, you know. It's going to a certain turning point. So, and we can see that here, this little curve in the relative vigor index, it's going it's going almost up. It's almost going across the um, the selling line, the red line. So as we can see, the price is going up. This is the turning point. The only thing we need now is another arrow up, just as a bonus indicator, but you don't need to wait for that. Usually I just wait a little bit before actually trading, because you're never sure what will happen. Like this, it's just going down a bit. In this case, I would like I'm almost always certain of the price just going down first for a bit, and after that going up. There's always a spike in the other direction. So if I traded when it was down here, then after 1 minute I would probably have won a trade. And because we are at a relative strength index at 30 still, I think it will still be the price will be rising for quite a while. And if you look at the MACD, you see the lines are going up, the wave is going up, still slowly, so it could still stay in this kind of level. So don't expect it always to go up and down like crazy. Sometimes it will just stay at this level, like we see here. So what we didn't look at was the different the different periods of the chart, the different time periods. So if I do that, I see like if I change to 5 minutes and to 15 minutes and to 30 minutes, we see a lot of going down in the last bit of the chart. So we could expect this to go on for quite a while. But to get a better indication, you have to go even further, like 4 hours. See that it's only relatively small change if we look at previous changes, like here. So in 4 hours it's just gone down, so we can't really tell that it's going to go down for a long while. Just in the last 30 minutes we can say that actually the trend is downwards. So because we are trading in with 1 minute options, with 1 minute binary options, I don't really look at the other time periods. Sometimes I look at this in the dailies because I want to see where the maximum price is over a few days, over the last couple of days, or maybe over the last couple of weeks. We can see that it we can see that the price can still go up because it's already been there, and it can also go down because it has already been there. So we are right now at some middle mode. It can go up or down over the couple over several weeks. So for now I will stay at the 1 minute time period. So if we look back to the MACD, you see that it's staying at this level. So there's not a lot of change. At this point I would stop trading. I would still think that the price is going to go up because we see this relative strength index at 30, and the volumes and candlesticks are corresponding to one another. It's going down right now. So right here you see that the lines are close together. It's kind of difficult to tell if it's going to cross or if it's going to stay like that. I would still trade in this case in the high direction. I would think it'd still go upwards. I will show you in another video, and then you can see when and actually how I place my trades. Okay, let's go to another chart. Euro and Japanese yen. This chart almost looks the same, so let's switch to another. Great Britain pound and US dollar. Here you can see the relative strength index. It's in the middle, so it's kind of unpredictable. You don't know if it's going to go up or down. If you look at the MACD, we see really nice waves. It's going up, down, up. It's going down. It's going up. Really long waves. But here we see shorter waves. And here we see it actually it's going up. The price is going up, and we're still not at the turning point. It might be the turning point might appear right here. So like I said, because the relative strength index is in the middle, we are not sure what's going to happen. Also here at the relative vigor index, you can see that the lines are pretty separated, but you cannot just rely on this, because at one point it can cross. It can, right now it would be possible that it would cross. We can see this arrow downwards appearing, so it's indicating that the price is going down. So like I said, this is unpredictable. So from this point it could go up or down. So what I'll do in this case, I just ignore it. I won't trade, I won't wait, I just go to the next chart. So we are now at USD Canadian dollar, and what we see here is a relative strength index also around the middle. So we can't do anything with this either, so we just skip it. Also we see trading volumes are a little bit low for my taste, so let's skip it. Let's go back to Euro US dollar. So we can see that the arrow now has appeared, giving us an extra indicator that the price is indeed going up, and we can see that the price is going up in a strong way. We can see this wave on the lower side of the chart, on the lower side of the zero. So don't expect it to shoot up just because all the indicators tell you it's going up. It might go up for a little bit and still go down, because it's still in a downward trend, as we saw earlier. And we see also the relative figure index that it's going to have it looks like it's going at a turning point. So we're not sure. So when you're not sure, you just look at this, at the volumes, and I see a small red bar, and the candlestick is still red, so it corresponds with one another. So I think so it can go either way at this point. Logically, because we're at a relative strength index close to 30, it's normal to think that it will still go up. So in my opinion, it will still go up. But at this point I won't trade, because I'm seeing this crossing, and seeing the relative strength index, it's about to cross. So I would probably wait for it to drop like this and then trade upwards. So this is one example of analyzing the chart. In my next videos, I will be doing actual trading on 24 option, and I will also be telling you how I'm making my decisions just like this, and then actually do some trading, and I will show you what I wait for before placing a trade, and how I actually do it. So in the next videos we'll be seeing some actual trading.